There's more than one reason why you may have decided to purchase a Toyota hybrid vehicle versus a Toyota non-hybrid vehicle, or just a Toyota hybrid in general. A couple of those reasons could be fuel savings, reliability, dependability, resale value, overall maintenance cost. I did do a hybrid maintenance cost and a comparison, a couple videos as well. I'll put a few links in the description below so you can go back later and check out those videos. But what happens when your Toyota hybrid vehicle just isn't giving you the same fuel economy as it was previously, or something has changed about your fuel economy and fuel consumption on your Toyota hybrid vehicle? Well, there could be one reason why this might be the case, and we're going to review it and talk about it just ahead in this video. Before we go any further, make sure you subscribe to the Best Toyota channel on YouTube, the Toyota World YouTube channel, and give a big thumbs up to this video if you currently love the way your Toyota hybrid drives. That's right. One of the other reasons why you might be going for a hybrid Toyota versus a non-hybrid Toyota, or why you did go for a hybrid Toyota vehicle, is because of the way they drive, the overall enjoyment and fulfillment that you get in the hybrid powertrain system, especially the latest hybrid powertrain system, which is currently on the new 2025 Toyota Camry. It's called the THS5 hybrid system. It's made with much more compact, smaller, and lighter parts, which gives her a much more enjoyable and responsive acceleration while maintaining the best fuel economy possible. We hope to see this powertrain coming for the next generation redesign Toyota RAV4, but definitely give a thumbs up if you really see the improvement and the difference, the drastic difference in overall vehicle and driving performance and enjoyment. Now, the main reason why this happens when you're taking off and accelerating from stop to go on the hybrid Toyotas is because you have the immediate availability of all the available torque in the vehicle's powertrain system due to the electric motors that respond right away. Getting back to the point of this video, the Toyota hybrid fuel economy is like no other brand, no other manufacturer. Toyota has been doing hybrid for over 20 years, and we really fine-tuned it. And I've got to say, we do it the best. It's available in so many different models and configurations. When you're looking at the Toyota lineup, we have hybrid in almost every model that we offer, but there's a few things that can affect or slightly worsen the fuel economy on your Toyota hybrid vehicle, and one of those factors is the weather. Now, I'm not talking about when you get into your vehicle in the morning and it's a dim, dark, cloudy, rainy day and your Toyota hybrid just doesn't feel like performing. No, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the temperature specifically. That's right. If you haven't been told already, yes, the outdoor temperature does affect the way your hybrid vehicle operates and the way it gives you the fuel economy and fuel savings on your vehicle. Now, notice that I did say hybrid vehicle. That's because this is globally across all manufacturers. This is just the way this technology works, and I'll explain it in just a second. But any hybrid vehicle, or even any electric vehicle, full electric vehicle, they do get their fuel economy affected a bit, and it does slightly change and worsen depending on what the temperature is outside. If it's drastically cold or much colder, then yes, you will get slightly worsened fuel economy. Now, if this does happen to you, or is happening to you, or did happen to you, don't panic, because it's completely normal. And it's just one of the factors that you have to keep in mind when you're going with a hybrid vehicle versus a non-hybrid vehicle. You still get great fuel economy. It's just slightly different when it's colder outside versus when it's warmer outside. In a nutshell, here's what happens. In cold weather, the chemical reaction that takes place within the hybrid motors and electric hybrid parts and batteries takes longer to happen as opposed to in warmer weather and warmer climates. So your gas engine, your combustion engine, will have to compensate to produce power and kick in more often. This will slightly worsen the fuel economy in the colder temperatures when compared to the warmer temperatures. Toyota hybrids can handle cold weather very well, and for our Toyota hybrid vehicles, you'll never have to manually control what your hybrid Toyota is doing, because everything will take place on its own, from gear selection to acceleration to regenerative braking. but you can take precautions to help your vehicle perform at its best in terms of fuel economy. Let's go over a couple of things that you can do to help increase your fuel economy. Here's a few actions that you can do to help improve the fuel economy during those colder, more harsher months and seasons. Number one, try to park your vehicle inside your garage, parking garage, inside your workplace, whatever the case is. Try to park your vehicle inside if it's possible. If it's not possible, no problem. Try to let your car idle for a bit and warm up before you start your commute and before you start your drive. Another step of action that you can take that might just help conserve some of that hybrid battery system's energy is during those harsh winter conditions or cold weather, try turning off your hybrid battery or your hybrid system's EV mode. This might help to conserve some energy. Now, keep in mind, this isn't new. If you haven't already heard this, you also burn slightly more fuel on your conventional non-hybrid gasoline combustion engines as well in the cold temperatures, probably around 10 to 20%, depending on your driving style and habits. And in terms of the hybrid systems, you can anticipate to burn anywhere from around 20 to 30% more fuel during those harsh winter conditions. Keep in mind the key benefits of buying a hybrid Toyota versus a non-hybrid Toyota or just a hybrid Toyota in general. You're still going to have amazing fuel savings and fuel economy when compared to a non-hybrid Toyota, and you're still going to be able to enjoy a much more smoother and more responsive driving experience. Like I said, check the links below in my description for further videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, this discussion, and hopefully you've learned something that can help you to save some fuel and some costs during those harsh winter cold months like we're in right now. That's right, it's that time of the year again. We'll catch you on the next video, guys. Take care.